फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ सुधा झा। मेरा प्रोफेशन है टीचिंग। फॉर लास्ट 22 ईयर्स मैं इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ा रही हूँ बच्चों को। तो चलिए मैं और आप इकोनॉमिक्स की जर्नी की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं।
Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is interdependence. Let us understand the meaning of this word interdependence. But it is very easy to understand interdependence when we take the different organs which are very important in the human body. Like we are talking about the brain, we are talking about the heart, we are talking about the lungs. These three are interdependent on each other. If I remove one particular part, for example, the lungs is removed, then the problem will be there in the brain and the heart. And if the heart is removed, then the brain and the lungs won't work. Nothing will work. So it is necessary that these three are present together in the human body. This is a picture which is showing the different type of the system which is present inside the human body. Correct? And they work together. Now, you and I, if I am teaching you, I can't teach you alone. The reason is I need the help of the author who writes the book. I need the help of the carpenter who prepares the blackboard. I need the help of that particular person who prepares the chalk. Correct? So I need the help of those persons who make benches and tables so that the student can sit and listen to me. It means in daily life, I need the help of so many people. Like they may be the farmer, they may be the plumber, they may be the barber, they may be the policeman, and so many else. Now, see here. Everyone is holding hand of each other. Why we are holding hand of each other? It means on the earth, we need help of each other. What does it promote? Interdependence is there. What does it promote? It promotes togetherness, belongingness, and social well-being. Correct? When we are living together, we feel that we are living together. Anything happens to me, people are there to help me. I belong to someone else. Someone will take care of me. And when there is a festival or there is an occasion, we celebrate it together. It means for the continuous development of the community life, I need interdependence. Just see. The community in which we are living, actually what do we find there? It consists of what things? It consists of family, school, and the neighborhood. Now, when many families, they live together, to very close, that is known as neighborhood. And what happens in neighborhood? We are giving help, we are taking help. But when many neighborhoods, they are together, it forms a village or a city. Many villages and cities together, it forms a country. No country in the whole world can say that I can meet the needs and the demands of my people. No, they have to depend on export and import. That is why we buy and we sell. For example, in Corona now, we don't have the mask and all. So what we did, we imported from China. Maybe the quality they have given us was not very good, but we imported because we were not having in our country. That was one example I gave of China. The second is, we are preparing masks. We are preparing some medicine and we are just sending it to the other countries. Even a country like America is taking help of India, and always they are saying thanks to Indian, thanks to the Prime Minister of India for helping us. What is this? This is what is community. So can we meet the demand independently? No, we have to depend on one another. Now, what is a family? Mother, father, and the children. It consists of a nuclear family. But when we have mother, father, grandparents, etc., it is a joint family. So families can be divided into two different parts. But a family is always said the first and the smallest unit of the community. And the family has many responsibility. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? फर्स्ट स्कूल. क्यों बोलते हैं फर्स्ट स्कूल? क्योंकि फैमिली में हमारी नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करता है. कैसे? एक बच्चा रोता है तो उसकी मम्मी को पता होता है इस रोने का मतलब भूख है, इस रोने का मतलब चींटी काटा है, इस रोने का मतलब है उसे नींद आ रही है. So the family can know their needs, and then the child also adapt the family and start learning. What the child learns, he sees how they are speaking, how they are walking, how they are talking, how they are eating. All these skills, all these values are learned by the child in the family itself. Now see, What is the importance of family? The importance of family, when I speak, it means a child knows to learn the language in the family itself. The language, what the child learns in his family during his early time, we call it as mother tongue. And in the mother tongue, he is able to express his feelings. For example, when I am talking in Hindi, it is my mother tongue. Someone will speak in Bengali, it is their mother tongue. उसमें हम बहुत सारी feelings को share करते, emotion को share करते. But once we are talking in English, we can't share our emotions to that extent what we need to share in our mother tongue. And the child sees in the family and learns discipline, dedication, honesty, obedience, truthfulness, okay, helping each other. So this is overall development of the personality of the child also is being developed in a family. So some other values are there, like civic and moral values, we call it as sanskar, and that is developed in the family itself. Now, if family is doing so many things for the child, what is the responsibility of the child or the people towards the family? What is my responsibility towards my family? What is your responsibility towards your family? So we have many duties. We should always respect the elders. We should obey our parents. We should always help each other. We should be loyal to our whole members. Correct? And loyal means be truthful towards them. Then we should take keen interest. Because you are the student, you have to take keen interest in studies. Remember that your parents are not only your well-wishers, because they sometimes treat you as a friend. Sometimes they give you guidance. You have to work like this. That is guide. Sometimes they give you quotations by saying, Karat karat abhyas ke jarmati hot sujjan. Rasri avat jat hai, seal par parat nisan. What is this? Philosopher. Correct? Now just see, when I speak about a community and neighborhood, what is the difference? When I say neighborhood, means many houses wedges together, it is a neighborhood. But community means the people who are living in the neighborhood, but they follow a relationship. Yes, uncle is there, auntie is there. You are speaking to everyone as uncle and auntie. We share during festivals. We give sweets to them. They also give the sweets to us. Correct. That is a community. If someone is sick, every person from the neighborhood comes and asks, क्या हुआ, बीमार हो गए, कैसे हुए, डॉक्टर को नहीं दिखाए, चलो इसको गर्म पानी देना है, कोई फ्रूट लेकर आ रहे हैं. That is what is community. Now I'm talking about the school. Very important part of the community is the school, because in school not only giving you education, हम खाली पढ़ाते नहीं है, पर आपको सिखाते हैं कि आप पड़ोसियों के साथ, नेबर में, कंट्री में, स्टेट में, विलेज में कैसे रह सकते हैं. Now let us understand about this particular picture which is given here. If I have given the order of a door, online order, so there are so many people, you and I don't remember आ गया घर पे ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर दिए, ऐसा नहीं होता बेटा. उसमें एक आदमी जो फ्रेमिंग का एक्सपर्ट है वो फ्रेम डिजाइन करता है, दूसरा आदमी क्या करता है, साइडिंग करता है, जो साइड्स में कॉर्नर में कभी शार्प नहीं हुआ, खराब हो गया, लोग का उंगली कट सकता है, तो वो उसको अच्छे से शेप में लेता है. तीसरा आदमी पेंटिंग करता है, उस पर डिजाइन विजाइन लाता है, कभी कुछ कलर्स देता है. ओके, जो फोर्थ पर्सन है वो क्या करता है, इंस्पेक्ट करता है, यस एवरीथिंग इज ऑल राइट और नॉट, देयर इज सम ड्रॉबैक, कुछ खराबी है, अगर इम्प्रूव करना है तो और इम्प्रूव कराए. और जो लास्ट मैन है वो शिपिंग करता है, यानी कि उसको पैक वैक करके आपके लिए भेज देता है. दिस इज व्हाट इज डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर. तो कंट्री में सब एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट हो गए. वो क्या हो गया, इकोनॉमिक इंटरडिपेंडेंस. पहले विलेज में डिसाइडेड था कि आपका कुछ ही काम है, वेरी लिमिटेड, हंटिंग ही कर सकते हो, फिशिंग कर सकते हो, कैटल रियरिंग कर सकते हो, या फार्मिंग, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. पर धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, गांव में भी और चीजें आने लगी, शहर में तो आने ही लगी. मैसनरी वर्क है, कारपेंट्री है, वीविंग है, टेलरिंग है, ट्रेडिंग है, और ये सब चीजें अभी नॉट ओनली इन द विलेज बट ऑल्सो इन द सिटीज इट स्टार्टेड. But till now, maximum people who are living in the village area, they continue with the agriculture. Correct? Just I'm moving to one word. A new word is coming here, barter system. What is this barter system? इसको हम बोलते हैं exchange of goods for goods. एक गुड्स की जगह दूसरे गुड्स को लेना, उसको हम बार्टर सिस्टम कहते हैं. पहला पिक्चर में आप देखो, वो आदमी उसको एप्पल दे रहा है तो वो उसको केला दे रही है. ठीक है, अभी आपके इलाके में आता है, सर पे बर्तन लेकर लेडीज आती है, आपकी मम्मी साड़ी, पैंट, फ्रॉक ये सब देती है उसको, और वो उसके बदले में बर्तन देती है, गिविंग वन गुड एंड टेकिंग अनदर गुड. ओके, बट दीज थिंग्स couldn't वर्क फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. प्रॉब्लम होने लगी, क्योंकि जैसे आपकी मम्मी जब बर्तन लेती है, कपड़ा देके, कभी बोलती 7 साड़ी में देंगे, कभी बोलती नहीं ये साड़ी कॉटन या सिंथेटिक है 9 साड़ी में देंगे. तो एक फिक्स रेट नहीं था. पीपल स्टार्टेड मेकिंग मनी. जब मनी आ गया तो नाउ पीपल व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, लाइक द पर्सन इज बाइंग व्हीट एंड द अदर वन, द पर्सन हु इज बाइंग व्हीट इज पेइंग मनी, और दूसरा व्हीट दे रहा है. तो हर चीज का दाम हो गया. when I am teaching you in the school, I am getting salary. वो in terms of money हो गया. आप स्कूल में पढ़ते हो तो आप फीस देते हो, वो मनी में देते हो. करेक्ट. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड फॉर गुड. मार्केट में सब्जी खरीदे जाओ, आप पैसा देते हैं, वो सब्जी देते हैं. तो जब ये पैसा आ गया मार्केट में, तो इसको और लोग कमाने के लिए सोचने लगे हैं, पैसा कमाने का तरीका ढूंढने लगे हैं, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज करने लगे हैं. तो इसको हम बोलते हैं बिगिनिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिक इंटरडिपेंडेंस. Now, with that, what happened? Towns and cities developed, economic activities developed, especially in the urban area. Cities में ये बहुत ज्यादा होने लगे, और cities बन गए ट्रेड एंड इंडस्ट्री का सेंटर. इसलिए लोग गांव से शहर में चले आए. अब सिटी में क्या क्या काम हुआ? कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रोड हो गया, रोड भी बन रहे हैं, बिल्डिंग बड़ी बड़ी बन रही है, लोग खरीदते और बेचते हैं, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होता है गुड्स का. ठीक है, बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, मेडिकल केयर है, स्कूल्स खुले हुए हैं, अच्छा वाटर का सप्लाई है, ठंडा वाटर भी आजकल मिलता है, कोल्ड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. फिर बैंकिंग की इतनी सारी फैसिलिटी है. नाउ बैंकिंग हैज बीन डेवलप्ड इन विलेज आल्सो. इंश्योरेंस has also come. So this is how the upcoming of towns and cities have taken place. Cultural development, people from all the different regions started coming and settling there. So they started exchanging their dance form, they started exchanging their food habits. Correct. They exchange their arts, games, etc. Correct. We people from Kashmir is coming here, living in Bihar. So what happened? Now they know what different variety of dishes can be made with the apple. And a South Indian who has come from the south and settled in Bihar, he knows how to cook idli and sambar or masala dosa and chutney. So we are learning from them, they are learning from us. A people of Punjab, a person of Punjab is teaching us chole bhature. So we are learning chole bhature. And we Bihari are teaching to everyone litti chokha, and they have learned litti chokha. So this is what is cultural development. So when we speak about India, everything is developed, economic, cultural. I hope so. The community development, interdependence topic is very clear to all of you. Thank you, everyone.